We lost half our cabbage crop in a week. 3 mistakes made it happen, and I'm going to show you exactly what went wrong. We planted late, so these cabbages stayed small, but they survived weeds, worms, and came out healthy. We thought we were doing everything right. Turns out, we created the perfect deer buffet. With cold weather moving in, these deer had been scouting our garden for weeks. We just didn't see the signs. Mistake number 1. We didn't understand the deer feeding patterns. They feed most aggressively at dawn and dusk when we're not watching. That's when they hit us hardest. Mistake number 2. We planted high-value crops too close to the tree line. We cut the trees back, but it's still a short sprint between the safety of the forest and our food. Deer love that. And mistake number 3. No physical barriers. We relied on hope instead of protection. A fence project is in the works, but it didn't come in time for this season. There are quick fixes like stringing fishing line at chest height around the garden. It freaks them out when they touch it and makes them run. But nothing beats a good dog. This is Yeti, our livestock guardian dog. He's a Maremma. He's completely spoiled, but has zero tolerance for trespassers, big or small. Without the fence, though, he can't fully patrol the perimeter. So, dealing with deer is still our current reality. At the end of the day, there's no use crying over spilled milk. It was a beautiful fall day, and a lot of the cabbages were still undamaged. So we harvested everything left before they came back for seconds. My wife finished her seed saving project. This is a lost skill worth pursuing for any homesteader.
Carrot, dill, basil, cilantro, salad, again carrots, and then flowers, celosia, nicotina, nigella, rudbeckia, what is that? Dahlia, Mexican sunflowers, some different kind, rudbeckia and zinnia. Woohoo!
And we pulled a couple of massive volunteer horseradish roots that have been in the ground for years. Drop a comment if you know what to do with these monsters. Overall, we had success with these cabbages. Next up, we're making homemade sauerkraut with this harvest. Subscribe so you don't miss that fermentation magic.